Good morning from Bulldog Canyon. We're out here with Morton, Brian, and Brian. This is Wheelie Brian, or Fast Brian as I like to call him. That is KTM 300. I don't know what year his bike is, but I believe he's an ex-racer and likes to ride fast. And we've got Brian up ahead who's recovering from a knee injury, and then Morton who's leading the ride. I gotta warm this up for a minute too. It's a cool 73. Oh yeah, this choke is really in probably worst possible position. This bike is coming straight off a Colorado Alpine Loop ride, topping 12 and 13,000 foot passes with zero adjustment to the carburetor, electron carburetor. Very happy with it. Now I'm back at about 1,800 feet here in the Phoenix Valley. Just gonna warm it up. Starts right up. Beautiful machine. Also new to this bike is some Mousse bibs. It was comforting to know that the ultra heavy duty tube I had in the rear handled the rocky terrain on the way back without much problem. There was a little wallowing, but not much. We got back and went to the next town over. Actually, it was Highland Cycles in Montrose. Big shout out to Morgan over there. Check out his YouTube channel. And great guy, great customer service. Oh, he's up there. And Brian, red hair Brian, has got recovering knee injury, and Fast Brian hasn't been on his bike in 6 months. I think I like this front wheel, the front tire with the bib in it. So far it feels good. Good on the landings, good on the hits. Whoa, did not see that little G out, but this tire took it nicely. We're gonna jump the fence, I think. Oh.
Dude, I could just ride right over that bar right there.
I think we all could. Yeah, I was gonna do it too. Nice. Nice, Brian. Yeah, he's dwarfed by that thing. Here we go. Wow, there's a little jump at the end here. This mousse in the front seems to be giving me even more. It adds to my suspension because it's actually a little softer than the 9 pounds I was holding in it previously with the ultra heavy duty tube. Wow. Wow, Morton, so far these bibs are amazing on this trail.